My name is Liselotte Betist. I'm a burnout and stress specialist. I'm from Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, and I am here today to teach a workshop about the transformational purpose of burnout and stress. I have created my own methodology, which is a multidisciplinary approach to stress and burnout, where I combine nature, movement, exercise, psycholocomotive exercises, which means that you're really experiencing the things that you're learning, and therapy. My favorite part, my absolute favorite part of what I do is the moment that you see that the information that I give to the person clicks. And people start to work and channel their energy in a more constructive way, and they start to recover and become the strongest version of themselves. That's my favorite moment. So this is a multidisciplinary approach to burnout and stress, and it's my absolute passion and an honor to be able to teach this in Tulum, in this beautiful magical place.